Hello, my dear friends, my name is Vladimir and I welcome you to Russian Traders channel.
Russian trader, feel his Russian style.
Today we're gonna trade, analyze and earn some really huge profits just as always. If you're watching me for the first time, make sure you are subscribed and make sure you leave a thumbs up because this one's gonna be definitely hot and you definitely don't wanna miss my future videos. Let's move on straight to the trading right now. Let's set our workspace first. I'm always choosing candles because it is much more comfortable for me. I don't know about you, but for me candles are in higher priority. Here let's set our indicators. What do we got? What do we got? What do we got? Okay, SMA, cool. Let's check it out. Yeah, that will be okay. Okay, we are all set and we can start right now. Here, what can I say? What can I say? So let's, I guess let's draw the line maybe. Yeah, cool. So right now, as we can see, there is a good reaction to the rebound from it right now, you see, right? So right now a very good moment to open a buy trade, and that's basically what we will do. Let's set the amount 72 and open a buy trade. Okay, so yeah, basically according to this line we see that the price is rebounding from its several. Wow, you see what's happening over here? Well, that's basically what I was talking about. Well, historically the price reacted to this line of support very good. It also it always rebounded from it. That's why basically right now we will see another one rebound, and we opened here a buy trade and chose the option long right now, and yeah, as you can see, it was a very good decision right now. So this one, another very useful instrument to draw the lines, guys. If you're not drawing the lines, you may think about it, guys. And if you lack of information or maybe indicators or maybe about the instruments on how to trade correctly, you will find all this info in my Telegram channel. The link is down below. You may take a look. Yeah, trade close to 130 bucks, not bad for the beginning. Let's check out another one pair. Yeah, let's check another one pair. All right. What do we see? Let's draw parallel lines here. Parallel channel, I mean. Okay. Well, the best thing we can do over here in this channel is to follow it upwards. That's why basically we are entering the amount right now, 121, I guess. And and we are opening a buy trade right now. We're opening a buy trade. It is ascending to the north, okay? Moving averages, we see a signal for longing as well. On Vortex, we also see the signal for longing. You see this green line, right? Going straight on top. So basically, I'm always telling you guys that knowing indicator is not enough. You should know several, as much as possible indicators, or at least those you are working with. And always try to read them and to make your decisions basing on all these indicators all together. Because one indicator may not tell you the whole information and may not show you the whole picture of what actually is happening over here on the market. That's why basically I'm always choosing several indicators, and of course there are some that I'm working the mostly with. Basically, yeah, trade close to 229, not bad. That's why basically I'm always working with several indicators at a time, and I'm always analyzing all of them at a time, because only by analyzing all these indicators all together at once may give you the right ground for the right decisions, okay? So let's move on to the next trade. Well, you see the level 19.88750. It is a support for the instrument, and we can break the moving averages and go higher right now. We're opening a buy trade at the moment, basically, so the option is up. Here, if you take a look at the vortex, it's not quite obvious, not quite clear at the moment. But here, another one indicator that we are working with. First of all, it is our level of support, of course, and another one is moving averages over here, okay? So guys, let me, while we're waiting for the trade to be closed, let me quickly remind you that all the information about the indicators, trading stuff, and signals, of course, for trading daily, you will find here down below this video. Hit the link to my Telegram channel. You will find all the information there. All right, absolutely free. I am taking no money for this, okay? I'm just helping you out with education, because when I was starting out, no one helped me with my education, okay? I had to study everything by myself, and I know how challenging it may be, especially when, for example, YouTube, there you have tons of videos about trading and you don't know what to choose, because they're, yeah, trade close, by the way, for 100 bucks, pretty good, because on one video you see one kind of information or approach, and another one another kind, and that may be challenging, guys. So my goal is to have to prepare a very good educatory basis, okay? Let's move on to the next trade. All right. So take a look at Vortex. It gives us a pretty obvious long signal. Okay, and what about MA? Okay, we're opening a buy trade right now. definitely buy trade over here. MA shows here a very strong uptrend at the moment. Vortex as well, it gives a very obvious signal to long. We expect an upside break of the resistance level at 5.22840, you see? So we expect this breakdown of this level of resistance, and I think that it definitely will happen because all the indicators are telling us about longing right now. There is no contradictions or any other indicators that may telling us another information. Right now we have a pretty obvious situation here for the market to grow, to long, and for the price to grow. So basically we will need to wait maybe a little bit, and that is it. So another one golden rule of a trader after knowing and analyzing indicators, all of them once at a time, of course, is to be patient, because here yeah, we got a trade closed. $600, not bad. Guys, make sure you leave a thumbs up if you like what's happening over here. Well, because, we got some more trades in front of us, and I think you will definitely like it. Make sure you're subscribed, because here I'm sharing with you really useful information. You definitely don't want to miss it if you want to get closer to trading stuff. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Alright, yeah, pretty good. So yeah, after the downtrend stopped out, we expect an exit from the accumulation upward, as I said, and we clinched at 202.80, you see, and the option up on the breakdown of the moving line right now. So here, I'm not always trading with, for example, Boeing company and stuff, but here we picked a very cool moment right now, very obvious moment. Make notes, guys, because this one situation is pretty clear right now over here. We are in a rising, going up trend. Another one situation where nothing to add, just let the market show who is right, okay? Let's just be patient and wait for the trade to be closed. Beautiful, $1,000. That's great. That's how I do business. That's really, really, really good. Well, okay, let's move on to another pair. Here, what do we have? Well, the oscillator is giving us downward signal right now. Yep. And we expect a move further down to at least, I would say, 5.22750 over here. So the option is definitely going down. And you see, let's set the amount. Let's open a trade. I guess 873 is enough. So here, if you take a look at the vortex indicator as well, you will see the these lines are changing their directions right now. The red line is going to the top, which is also an indicator to short for the overall option right now. And yeah, in together with what I have said before, I mean the oscillators of giving the downward signals, we right now expect a trend to go down over here. So yeah, let's just wait a bit. BEA, beautiful, $1,600. We're done. We're done. That's really good. And I guess we can check out at least one. 1347. Let's open a buy trade over here right now. Here, what do we have right now on the graph? Very strong uptrend, as you can see it by yourself, okay? And according to the MA, oscillator is strict long, alright? So the level of 19.88988, you see, right? This level, okay? So this level is a resistance over here. And we expect a breakdown and going higher, as the buyer is strong, very strong buyer over here. You see this abnormal like uptrend. Well, here we have a pretty clear and obvious long option at the moment, and yeah, we have this very first green candle appeared after we have the trade opened. So I think we done everything right and correct right now. So while we are waiting, let me remind you that all the information for trading you will find it at my Telegram channel, absolutely free. Meanwhile, you will also find the signals for trading every single day, guys. So if you want to practice, to start practicing, you see it, right? Trade close 2,000. So overall $3,000. Well, from 72 to 3,000 in 15 minutes, I guess that's not bad, okay? Well, what I was talking about, yeah, make sure you hit the link to my Telegram channel, because there you'll find absolutely tons of useful information, absolutely free. Guys, I guess that's all for today. This was Vladimir, Russian trader, your favorite trader, I know it. Make sure you leave your thumbs up and make sure you are subscribed not to miss my future videos. And see you in the next one.
Russian trader, feel his Russian style.